the medicine that he has applied to the pet was out of sheer negligence. He put an expired medicine. Nobody was looking, and inside the police station, sitting inside the police station, he tampered that evidence and applied a new sticker to prove his innocence. That is the level of fraud that this guy is doing.
जनावरांक लागून होम सर्व्हिसेस दिवपी दोतोरान अशाच एका विजिटा वेळार कुत्र्याक दिले एक्सपायर्ड वॅक्सीन. निवळ निष्काळजीपणा करून हो प्रकार घडिल्ल्याचे कुत्र्याचो मालक तसेच हेर नागरिक म्हणतात. या वेळार जाब विचारल्यार दोतोरान माफी न मागता वॅक्सिनेशन कार्ड मागून ताचे लेबल बदलपाचो खंय प्रयत्न केलो असो आरोप केलो वता. दोतोरान आपली चूक मान्य केली ना, त्याच प्रमाण लेबल चुकीचो लायिल्ल्याचो दावो केलो अशेंय आरोप करपी लोक म्हणतात. या वेळार तांणी पुलिसांक कळीत केल्यार ह्या संशयीत दोतोरान सगळ्यांची नदर चुकोवन लेबल बदलपाचो प्रयत्न केलो. मात हो सगळो फ्रॉड आशिल्ल्याचो आरोप कुत्र्याचो मालक तसेच हेर नागरिक करतात. ह्या घटनेची दखल घेवन त्या संबंधान कायदे सक्तीचे करचे अशी मागणी लोक करतात.
हां, तुमचं नाव काय सर? बोला सर.
Me Ramesh Rao Totapalli.
हां, काय झालं सर?
I am the part owner of Groom Room by RRT.
Yes.
We operate a pet spa and a food spa in Miramar. So he used to treat any pet that used to come. He has a home delivery service wherein he will visit your households and do vaccination for all the pets and everything. So he does vaccination for my pet also. I've seen certain malpractices for which I didn't have any proof so far. But today an unfortunate incident happened where Sangam is with me, Mr. Sangam Patro. He has a pet for which had visited and given vaccination to his pet, which was an expired medicine. So we applied on the vaccination card. We could see that the medicine that he has applied to the pet was out of sheer negligence. He put an expired medicine to the pet, injected it into his body. So on questioning him, that why did you do such a kind of an activity? Why was there any negligence? He tried to ask for the vaccination card. He asked us to bring in the vaccination card so that he can change the label, and it was a mistake that he applied a wrong label. So he never apologized for his mistake. He said it's a wrong label. But we wanted to report this to the cops, so we came to the police station to file an official complaint. So the cops, they called him to the police station. Once he entered the police station, he saw a moment where nobody was looking, and inside the police station, sitting inside the police station, he tampered that evidence and applied a new sticker to prove his innocence. So do you understand what happened? The complete negligence where even evidence got tampered, and this guy has no intention to apologize while either say sorry or even ask for forgiveness. He's a doctor by profession. He was supposed to save lives. What he's doing is fraud. I request the Honorable Chief Minister and the government of Goa, including the Animal Husbandry Minister, the laws for such kind of negligence are very weak, because of which we'll put in expired medicines and give wrong medication, and they want to walk away with a 50 rupee penalty. What I heard here is a 50 rupee penalty. That's not exactly the punishment that these kind of people deserve. His license has to be cancelled. I urge the government, I urge the police department to ensure that such activities and such malpractices should be completely demolished. Such people should not be allowed to practice and give any medicine to any pet parent. Nobody should go through what we are going through right now. This is Ramesh Totapalli. Thank you very much for hearing us out. Please help us. Please support us. Thank you.
Okay. How is the pet now? Pet is there?
Sir, pet has been sent to the medical hospital for checkup and testing. There's a medical checkup going on as we speak right now.
What
pet
breed?
is
What breed it is?
Pomeranian. It's a Maltese.
Maltese. Okay. Now it is okay with that?
No, the pet is safe. It is in breathing condition. There is no illness so far. We really hope that that medicine doesn't have any side effect. But having said that, it was a very risky scenario.
Okay. How much is to charge you for this?
4,500.
He charged us
Sorry?
4,500.
4,500.
4,500.
4,500.
Okay.
Yeah.
Then you come to know there is
I have
wrong
had
medicine.
doubts before, but we never actually had proof. So this was a situation where we had proof. Even that proof, he was tampering. So we have evidence. I'm submitting it to the media and the police. We have evidence of what he has actually medicated and how he tampered the evidence. We have entire proof. There's a camera footage inside because he did it on camera inside the police station. That is the level of fraud that this guy is doing.
You have given complaint now.
Yes, we are writing the complaint right now as we speak. We are officially lodging a complaint. This guy is trying to have a conversation with us. We don't want to have any conversations. We don't want to have any negotiations or anything. This is a fraud and he has to be punished.